Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Are you searching for the perfect gate design to elevate your home entrance? Then you're obviously in the right place. Whether you prefer a modern, classic, or contemporary style, we have an exclusive collection of modern gate design ideas that will not just enhance your home entrance but give your home a luxurious and stylish look. Let's explore these stylish and secure options. From sleek minimalistic designs to bold statement pieces, we've got something for every taste. Pro tip. Tip number 1 is opt for galvanized steel or powder-coated aluminum gates, which are resistant to rust and weather damage, ensuring that your gate remains strong and beautiful for years to come. Tip number 2 is if natural grass near both sides of exterior gates isn't an option, artificial grass offers a cost-effective and low-maintenance solution. Artificial grass by omnifloor.ae offers the perfect combo of elegance and sophistication. Visit omnifloor.ae and buy any type of artificial grass according to your style. Okay, now buckle up and let's explore some fantastic gate designs together that will make your home stand out. have it, modern house gate designs are about to end here. We hope you found the perfect style according to your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear which design is your favorite, so drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay inspired and keep designing your dream home.